Hello everyone, welcome to the latest news on cryptocurrency. So today we are giving today we have we're giving you a recap of what happened yesterday in the cryptocurrency space and the blockchain space. Okay, so you have hybrid AI firm Syndicator launches tracking app for 150 digital assets. So, hybrid intelligence startup Syndicator launches Age, a new web app for receiving and tracking indicators for 150 digital assets. So, this is more like an app, okay, for tracking for traders or maybe investors, so that they can be able to know the performance of 150 digital assets. You also have Russian lawyers claim 200,000 Bitcoin Mount Gox Mount Gox can be. Now, Mount Gox was an exchange. I think it got hacked, and a lot of bitcoins were lost. Okay, so the Russian law firm is proposing a legal action in Russia that it claims will enable its lawyers to recover up to 200,000 Bitcoin from Mount Gox bankruptcy fiasco, because Mount Gox, okay, went bankrupt after they were hacked and they lost a lot of Bitcoin. So you also have Ripple CEO to CNN. We are the most interested party in SRP's success. Now there has been talks or claims by owners of the SRP coin that the CEO and the upper echelon of the Ripple, Ripple or Rip is majority of the SRP are held by the CEO and his other executives. Okay, so there were accusations of price manipulation, that they keep dumping SRP to keep the price down. So, but the CEO is saying that they are the most interested party in the success of SRP ecosystem. So let's go down to more news. Then you also have major coins report mixed signals. Ethereum Classic sees modest gains following hard fork. Okay. You also have Tether mints 300 million USD Tether in chain swap. Corresponding bond still awaits. So you have cryptocurrency transaction reporting service Whale Alert points out that Tether minted 300 million USD Tether. That is the 300 million USD data is going to be worth $300 million, because you have a theta to the USD is about a dollar, one theta to a dollar. Okay, sometimes it fluctuates a little, but that's what it is. Okay, so now that you have 300 million USD theta minted USD theta minted, that means that's $300 million right there for you. Okay, you also have blockchain devices market to grow to 1.285 billion by 2024. Now, people keep mentioning blockchain phones, and you have some key phone manufacturers keying in. You have Samsung, and I think Sony is also showing interest. Well, I don't know what a blockchain phone looks like or what it does differently, but I'll be glad to know what it does when I get my hand on one. Okay, so you also have Ethereum Classic successfully implements Atlantis hard fork. Okay, you also have crypto brokerage Tagomi making shorting Bitcoin and Ether easy. Users of New York-based cryptocurrency brokerage and trading platform Tagomi now can lend or borrow Bitcoin and Ether to facilitate lot or short trades. Okay, so more like you can easily short the market with these guys. So you also have France won't tax crypto only trades, but will tax crypto to fiat sales. That's interesting. That's really interesting. So if I pay you for a service with Bitcoin, I don't get taxed. But if I convert Bitcoin to fiat, then I get taxed. Seems pretty interesting to me. But the question is, how many services out there can you patronize with Bitcoin without having to convert it to fiat? Because that's the major challenge with crypto. That's the major challenge with crypto. Spending crypto directly without having to go to fiat. And at the same time, majority of people involved in crypto are just involved for the gain. So not actually for them using it to go and buy a car, even if those options are there. But you find out majority of them are speculators and investors hoping for the investment to yield interest for them or to yield profit for them. So you have Alpha Bank launches bank as a service platform on Waves blockchain. So you have X5 Retail Group and Alpha Bank jointly launched a Waves Experience blockchain-based liquidity management service in Russia. They also have Binance quarterly BNB bond to include Binance Futures tokens. So Binance will include all futures businesses and products into the scope of each quarterly bond of its native token, Binance Coin. Tokens are meant to be bond, especially those that more like utility tokens. You understand? So once it's used, it's bond. It's out of the entire system. Okay, so you're interested to know more about tokens, but bonding tokens. Okay, they also have Harmony to scale Samsung Wallet supported blockchain health data app. So Harmony teamed up with a Lithuanian blockchain-powered health app firm to enable fast and secure health data sharing. They also have Watford Premier League team puts Bitcoin logo on kit and accepts Bitcoin. So Watford will now feature the Bitcoin logo on the t-shirt sleeve of his players and also accept BTC for merchandise purchase. So if you want to purchase let's say a Watford jersey, you can pay with Bitcoin. Now, if you buy that in France, you don't get taxed. But I wonder if you get taxed in the UK if you use crypto, Bitcoin, to purchase merchandise. Well, let's see. They also have Bitcoin. The US e-cigarette ban stokes fears Trump could target Bitcoin. Now, each time the US takes some radical action against something, it stokes fear in the hearts of investors to know maybe if they can ban e-cigarette. Okay, not even the main cigarette, they banned e-cigarette. Okay, what could stop them from banning Bitcoin? Well, it just makes speculation, but till we hear that, let's just keep our fear intact. Then you also know here, well, you also have France saying that it cannot authorize Facebook Libra's development in Europe. Now we all know how the France act. They say something because they expect something. So now that if Switzerland are rolling the same bird with Libra, they want a piece of the pie. So if you read the full article, you'll find out that the condition for them to authorize it, in quote, is if they comply with every regulatory requirement. Okay, same way the US is trying to get Libra to meet up with AML and the rest of them. And one thing with Facebook Libra at this moment is they are willing to do any jack you tell them to do, as long as it has to do with monetary policy. Because the main thing is the goal, the return on investment is bigger when they launch it than, so why spoil the show when you could just obey some regulatory rules which are necessary, like counter-terrorist financing, what's it called? You also have money laundering and the rest of them. So it's best for your own good for you to observe these things, okay? They also have Santander issues 20 million end-to-end blockchain bond on Ethereum. Major Spanish bank Banco Santander has issued what it claims is the first end-to-end blockchain bond. Interesting. Okay, then you also have US politician uses crypto to buy cannabis for tax tax remittance demo. So a California politician has become the first elected official to use cryptocurrency to purchase cannabis. If you don't know what cannabis is weed, okay? Weed. So to purchase cannabis in the US to advocate for cannabis tax remittances via stable coin. Now, you know, in some states in the US, cannabis is legal, but at the same time, it's regulated. So now the politician is trying to show a demo that you can pay cannabis tax remittances in stable coin. I wonder which stable coin is being referred to. So you also have Bobby Lee takes on hardware wallets with new device for 30 plus cryptos. So BTCC exchange founder said constant requests from people to help store their Bitcoin led him to create Ballet, a credit card style hardware wallet. They also have Switzerland open to international cooperation on Libra, says Watchdog. Pretty interesting. Then no, Bitcoin price is not in a 2018 like descending triangle of doom. Well, let's see if it's going to hit back to 13,000 by December. But my gut tells me no way. We are in September. And if we get to December, most people, especially individuals, are going to pull out some funds for Xmas and for preparation for New Year and for the expenses of New Year. I see the price of Bitcoin closing the year at 9,000 plus. That's my own prediction. I'd like to know what your own prediction is. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. To see you guys next time. Take care. Bye for now.